Hello there! University of Niagara Falls, Canada have several scholarships and awards available for prospective and current students. These include entrance awards and a variety of scholarships for those who are coming to study here with us. For students already enrolled at UNF who excel in their studies, we offer 2 academic scholarships, the UNF Academic Merit List and the UNF President's Academic Distinction List. With hard work and dedication, you could find yourself on one of those lists recognized for your academic achievements. Let's take a closer look at them, starting with the UNF Academic Merit List. It's open to full-time students who maintain a minimum CGPA of 3.67 or 80% in their program, term after term. Eligible students will receive a $500 award per term. The UNF President's Academic Distinction List is for students who achieve a remarkable CGPA of 4.33 or 90% in their program. These students will receive a $1,000 award per term. It's important to note that all the awards are dispersed starting from term 2 and are combinable with our entrance awards. However, students are only eligible for 1 academic award per enrollment term.
Hi, I'm Moses, a current student here at the University of Niagara Falls, Canada. So last term, I made it onto the UNF Presidential Academic Distinction List. And the $1,000 that I was awarded with, I received really helped me focus on my studies without worrying so much about my own finances. It's been so amazing to be recognized for all the hard work that I put into my program. And it's motivated me so much to keep aiming higher in my program of study. Thank you very much.
We can't wait to see you shine at UNF and join our community of scholars. Remember, your hard work deserves recognition, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Visit unfc.ca/scholarships or connect with us to learn more about how we can support your academic journey.